Welcome back to the No More Lies 2012 YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to share with you my wash day, and I am going to be featuring some new products that I was given by Nature's Taji. And so I'm excited to share these products with you guys. My hair is due for a revival, especially since I just painted, and I say painted because I did paint a whole bunch of edge control paste on my hair for my wedding look, for being a bridesmaid in my mom's wedding. And so I want to share these products with you really quickly before I hop in the shower, so you can see what I'm going to be using in the shower. Ooh, this is nice. This is a nice box. I think this is the best box I've seen thus far, and this is a new product line. It's, like I said, it's called Nature's Taji. Their slogan is "Rock what nature gave you naturally." That's what I already do, so this is very fitting. All right, let's see. So it's always the packaging. It's the packaging for me. It's the packaging for me. Look, it's the packaging. Ooh. Y'all, let me tell y'all, it's the packaging. It's the packaging. I gotta sit this down. I need some space. Okay, so this is their green smoothie line. So I'm gonna be using the shampoo. Oh, it has an applicator, so that'll be nice. So the green smoothie shampoo, intense strength system, great for all hair types. It has cast soap, almond oil, wheatgrass, watercress, sweet almond oil, aloe vera, a lot of good natural things in here. And then I'm gonna be using the conditioner as well. This is their green smoothie conditioner, hydrate and nourish. It has some similar things from the shampoo, but it has the aloe vera leaf juice, that's the first ingredient, wheatgrass, slippery elm, marshmallow root. It also has jojoba seed oil, olive fruit oil, shea butter. Also has some coconut oil, which is further down the list, vitamin E. In a separate video, I'll do my styling, but just to show you, I also have the green smoothie hair dress and some oil. So I'm gonna be using these two products for my wash day today. So let's go ahead and get right into the shower. So let's whip this hair into shape. So the instructions say to apply to wet hair, massage into the scalp, and gently work through the hair shaft. So the shampoo, it smells, I wasn't expecting it. It has, what's in here, so I can have a reference. It does have peppermint in here. It has a light peppermint scent because it's very liquidy. Although it's very liquidy, it actually lathers really well, and you'll see later on when I do the back how much lather it actually gives, which I was surprised about. And it does give me movement in my hair for me to be able to put my fingers through my hair and massage my scalp. My hair is not stiff. I can massage my scalp while I'm using this shampoo, which I like. So my hair doesn't have that strip feeling. It is really clean. I only needed to wash my hair with the shampoo that one time, and I did not have to use it a second time. So it got clean the very first time with the good lather that it gave me the first round. So onto the conditioner. It says after shampooing, apply to damp hair, massage into hair, making sure to coat each strand, especially the ends. For rinse out, leave in for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse. It also can be left in as a leave-in. The conditioner, it has a thicker consistency. Let's see. This, it has marshmallow root, and I can tell the marshmallow smell. It does have like an almond smell for some reason. It doesn't have almond in it. Maybe unless it's sunflower seed I'm smelling. I don't know. I'm not good at telling you what stuff smell like, but it doesn't smell bad. It has a light scent. I was able to detangle my hair pretty well with the conditioner. I did have to apply a lot more conditioner than I was used to get the amount of slip that I needed. So I re-wet my hair a few times and added more conditioner to my liking so that I could have the amount of slip I needed so that I could finger detangle. And you can see that I'm finger detangling my hair pretty well. And at the roots, you can see that my hair is pretty detangled. And so again, I just had to add more conditioner, re-wet my hair in order to finger detangle my hair the way that I'm used to. After I finished finger detangling my hair, I 2-strand twist my hair and I left the conditioner in my head for at least about 10 to 15 minutes once I completed every section of my head. So here I'm showing you how the shampoo really lathers. I use the shampoo throughout the strands of my hair versus just at the roots, and I'm just giving you an idea of how much lather it gives. So I wanted to give myself a mini deep conditioning, so I put a plastic bag over my head while I left the conditioner in for about 10 to 15 minutes while I was taking a shower, so I can generate some kind of heat because my hair needed a little therapy. As you can see, my hair is more tamed and my curls are defined, they're clumped together. Keep watching to the end and you will see how much shampoo I actually used on my hair versus how much conditioner I used on my hair. Overall, I really enjoyed my wash day. I was able to whip my hair back into shape. My curls look good, my hair looks good, and it feels good. And I'm thankful for trying out these products, and I hope that you guys will try them out. So check out Nature's Taji website, which will be linked in my description box below. And I will see you guys in the next video.